Good.
Alright, good.
Okay, let's get ready.
Yeah.
굿모닝 여러분, 저희는 캠핑장을 떠나서 다른 데로 갑니다. Today's quite a different day, so we're gonna explain later because we're quite late. We are Lucy and Mark, and this is our van Tubi. We started from South Korea and drove our van through Russia, Mongolia, and now Europe. We are going to drive around the world, so why don't you join us? Before, like, we were in the Vlora, like the south part of Vlora, and we're heading back to the Vlora right now, and then we have the person to meet, and we will explain a little bit details later. 아, 스피드 범! 날씨가 흐려지고 있군요. 항상 your face is so dark. Mysterious.
It's weird because I have such a light complexion. You know?
Yeah, you're like such a bun bread. 탑빵이야, 탑빵. 탑빵.
My car is parked back there. I'll pull up, okay? Yes.
Yeah. It's not. Which one is red one? This one?
Yeah, red and yellow one.
Hi. 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 My name is Lucy. Nice to meet you. Laura.
I'm Mark.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So, which one's the mother? Your mother.
And sister.
Mother looks so young.
Yeah. Nice.
Perfect.
Thank you. Nice for 2 months. It's right there. Oh, there's Joker. We need to exercise. Hey guys, we rushed to the Vlora. The reason why today is moving day. You can see the Mark is carrying the refrigerator. And this is our... What? Are we there yet?
We're on the 10th floor.
I'm out of breath. over that one? Okay. Today is like I said a moving day. The thing is like we move into our apartment. It'll be like for 2 months, right? So this is our like apartment in Albania, and it will be homestead home, and I will show you a little bit here and there before we make a mess. This is the kitchen area. It's dining table, but mostly we're gonna use for the working areas. And then nice to have it open. Yay! And then you can see here.
Use the oven as a heater.
Oven as a heater. Yeah, just we figure out that it's really freezing cold in here, and then I cannot see any heater. But you can see that the interior here is pretty good. What we love about this area is that you can see the beach right in here. You can see. And then not only this way, I will go to the room. And here is like another balcony too. And you can see separate balconies for the bathroom areas. This will, like a tiny bed will be for Mark. This big bed will be mine! Big one is for mine, right? Hello! So anyways, like a big bed for mine, a small bed for you.
We're gonna do rock, scissors, paper.
There's no way. You're gonna lose. Even you win, I will torture you every day. So last one is the bathroom, shower. It's pretty huge. Nice. That's it. That's it. But we are gonna carry some of the stuff from the TV and then clean the TV too, because all the dust and everything is inside the TV. Mark is having a hard time to close the door. I will go out with you to carry the stuff.
While Vlora is a beautiful city with stunning sunsets on the Mediterranean Sea, the real reason for us moving into an apartment was simply to catch up on some work. It took a while to adjust to traveling and working at the same time. This kind of life was really new to us, and it was months before we could get into any kind of routine. With an inadequately powered house battery, along with traveling to some of the most remote areas of the world, we found ourselves falling further and further behind. We knew once we got into Albania, we could get a decent place without spending much. We ended up paying just 500 euros for 2 months. For a beachfront apartment with a view like this, I'd say we did pretty good.
The walk goes up, must come down.
While we mostly focused on work, of course we took advantage of the other perks of living in an apartment.
Hey, at last, I'm standing.
Right now we're cooking Korean food, which is 꼬리곰탕. I don't know how to say it in English. Oxtail soup. So you can see this is oxtail. We got it yesterday finally. So we are boiling how many hours? 4 or 5 hours? 5 hours, right?
Yeah.
5 hours, and we're gonna eat this one for giving us power and get some energy. And also we made some other food too. This food is really important. So we made a dumpling. It's Korean style. So we put the vegetable meat in. This is my first time to make it.
We took some time to explore Vlora, a city with a modern beachfront and rustic back streets.
아니면 빅마켓 갈래? 자기가 자주 가던 집들이에요, 싹 다. ATM도 자기가 자주 가는 데 가져갔고.
Cause what goes on will come down. Yes, what goes on will come down. What goes on will come down. Yes, what goes on finally will come down.
Kebabs with forks.
여러분, 저희는 이제 알바니아를 떠납니다. 마지막 날이에요. 여기 있는 동안 많이 촬영 안 했습니다. 편집한다고. 그래서 이렇게 다 비었어요. 처음 왔던 것처럼. 하우스 그랜드 해주신 분이에요. 그래서 이제 떠납니다. 마음이 별로 안 좋네요. 여튼 잘 지내고 갑니다. 머리는 왜 이랬노? 방금 샤워를 했거든요, 나오기 전에. 여튼 저희는 짐을 일단 대충 싸고 떠나려고 하는데 블로라가 우리를 보내주기 싫은갑다. 잠은 쳤노? 짜잔 짜잔. 무슨 상황인지 아시겠습니까, 여러분? 자주 보셨죠? 저희 차 튜비 배터리가 또 나갔습니다. 예.
Go a little bit more.
Oh man, what a mess I am and the TV and here. 여러분, 저희는 우체국 앞에 와 있습니다. 알리익스프레스를 통해서 물건 몇 개를 시켰거든요. 뭐 카메라, 배터리라던가 몇 개는 대부분은 다 받았고 지금 떠나는 날인데 2개인가 3개인가 안 왔어요. 튜비 배터리가 꺼졌기 때문에 시동을 끌 수가 없어서 마크 혼자 들어가서 전 차지 키고 있습니다.
Hey!
We got it! Awesome! 카메라 배터리야? 맞아? 확실해?
So, let's check it.
Charger?
USB charger
Awesome! USB 차주다.
and battery.
배터리!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And one more battery.
예! 우리 2개나 시켰나?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, isn't it nice? It's like a double charger, huh? Test her
좋지.
out. And
준대나.
yeah, it's charging.
Is it charging? Working?
Yep.
Good. 알리에서 사면 물건 꺼내자마자 이렇게 한 번씩 체크해줘야 됩니다. 왜냐면 안 될 수가 있기 때문에. It works though. It's charging.
Charging.
Yeah, good. Now it
Nice.
works.
Nice to have a USB
Awesome.
charger, huh?
맞아. 맨날 220V라 하다가 USB 하니까 다행이지 뭐. 되는 거 아이가?
It's real close to the beach.
도착했습니다.
그렇잖아. 왜 이상 못 내려갈 수 있나 우리?
Big thanks to all of our supporters on Patreon. We couldn't continue our journey without your encouragement and support. If you haven't joined the Tubi crew on Patreon yet, now is the perfect time. Pledge any amount of support and we will send you a postcard as thanks.
What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment. It will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit the like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!